In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make Robux two ways. So first, you just have to go to your Roblox account and then go to please donate. Okay, tap this green button here and make sure that you have downloaded this Roblox application. Now here, what you're going to do is to simply claim a stand and then you can display your items there. But to get Robux, all you have to do is to go to this chat box here and then kindly enter please donate me or please donate. Please give me some Robux, something like that. And if someone, of course, wants to give you a Robux, then someone will answer or will tell you what to do in order to get that Robux. Second is you have to create group clothing. I mean, you have to sell items in order for you to get Robux, or you can work for someone, like if someone wants you to do something, and then he or she will give you Robux as a reward. So as said earlier, two ways, right? So this one is a bonus. Some groups in Discord will give some Robux, especially if they host an event or something. And their giveaways, rewards, or prizes, most of it are Robux. So all you have to do is to participate. So I'd really hope this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.